Hey there, Simplifiers. It's Eileen Reed, Simplify with Eileen Organizing. Today, I'd like to talk about the kind of clutter that I've sort of termed evidence. And what I mean by that is a lot of my clients have bins and bins filled with high school, college, or post-grad textbooks and projects. Or they've got boxes jammed full of tickets and travel maps from places that they've explored throughout their life. And it feels like they hang on to these boxes and bins as some sort of like proof or evidence of their life. And I'd like to suggest that those are actually just things. You are the proof of your life. You are the proof of every experience, every adventure, every failure, every milestone, every lesson learned, every accomplishment. And what you do with those experiences, that's what matters. Like by the way you live your life, by the way you love, by the way you treat others, and by decisions that you make. It's you, it's all there inside of you, and you don't need boxes and bins filled with collected evidence. So I'd like to suggest that you really know, believe, and accept that all those experiences have shaped your life and that you live your life accordingly. Because that's the proof, that's what really matters, not the boxes and bins. I hope this tip has been helpful. For more information about organizing and other tips, please feel free to check out my website, simplifywitheileen.com, or my Facebook page, Simplify with Eileen. Thanks, and hope to see you back real soon.